Morning, morning, all of you. Right. So in this lecture, I just thought of sharing my views regarding IRCTC holding. So there is, you might have heard about in the news that IRCTC is going for a stock split. I mean to say, the board is planning to recommend the stock split. Ultimately, it is the decision of the Ministry of Railways whether to go for the stock split or not. So therefore, the investors are asking, sir, whether I should purchase new shares or whether I should hold on the shares or whether I should sell the shares. To give answers to all your questions, I thought of making a small video. Right. So let us briefly go into the facts. What are the points? Triggering event is stock split under contemplation. We are planning. The board is planning for the stock split. This everybody knows in the news. Okay, the board is planning for the stock split. Okay, what is the probable reason for the stock split? So fundamentally, the stock is splitted when the share price is high. When the share price is high, very few buyers will purchase. To increase the liquidity in the stock, and to encourage more buyers into the market, the stock price will be splitted. So accordingly, therefore, two probable reasons are stock price might be overvalued. Stock might already be overpriced, and to dilute the promoter stake. If you look at the IRCTC here, in this case, around 67% is the promoter's holding. The promoter's holding is more. Therefore, according to my expectations, maybe promoters may be planning to dilute the shares. If the promoters wants to sell their shares, maybe less people will be willing to buy at 2,400 present price. So therefore, that might be the reason why they are going for the stock split. Okay, so therefore, these are the two reasons. These two reasons acts as a negative for the stock. Okay, right. So probable impact of stock split. So with this stock split, what may happen? Temporary rise in price till split and gradual fall in price after split. So this might be my expectation. The stock price may rise, not guaranteed. That is also for few days. And once the stock is splitted, once the promoters dispose of their shares, so the stock price will face tough time. Even if you go by their fundamental ratios of return on net worth, return on capital employed, and other asset turnover ratio also. For my opinion, the stock is overpriced now. If you want to hold on still, you are taking very risk on this stock. So if you want to maximize your profits by taking more risk, yes. But according to my opinion, for a normal investor, conservative investor, it may not be advisable to hold on the stock. Therefore, this is the final recommendation. Those who wants to maximize their profit by taking more risk, to maximize their profit. Already you might have purchased around 1200 or 1500 or 2000 level. Now it is trading around 2400 or 2300. So if you want to exit at this point of time, if you want to continue means you are taking more risk for small profit. If you are holding now means you are taking more risk for small amount of profit. No, sir, I want to play safe. I don't want to risk. Even if I compromise some profit also doesn't matter. I don't want to take more risk. I am very conservative investor. Well and good, come out of it. Come out of the market. Therefore, my opinion is that sell 70% of what you are holding. If you are holding 10 shares, sell 7 shares and keep 3 shares. Because there are more chances of falling after stock split or even before stock split also. That is the reason. So therefore, there is little chances of appreciating. Therefore, my advice is that rather than regretting, sell 70% of your holding. If you are holding 100 shares, sell 70 shares and keep 30 shares. Okay, so no, sir, I want to play safe. I don't want to take any risk at all. Sell entire shareholding. Okay, via media, you can sell 70% of shares and keep 30% of the holding. Okay, thanks, man. Thanks a lot.